You guys, apologies, just close the door quickly. I hope you guys are good. Welcome back to the first video of 2024 of the new year. I only wish you guys all the best, success, growth, and endless opportunities in the market. So I quickly want to, let me just get my phone here. I quickly want to go through a few trades that was called, I wouldn't really say called out this week, but it was, sent in the community. This week I was very, how can I say, very careful of what I sent as a signal in the group, in the community, as it is the first week of the year. Market still needs to find some momentum, if I can put it that way. I, however, did catch a few, and I did take a loss today, and I'm going to start with the loss I took today, and then I'm going to go through 1, 2, 3 other trades. Okay, so the loss I took today, let me do this, and then this. So yesterday I told the community that I'm not going to trade today, which was this daily candle. I want to wait and see how this candle closes. If it closes below this level, I will probably look to fill the void down after NFP, etc. So what happened is let me just do this. Where was it? So it was, yeah, so this was NFP, right? So NFP for me, so what I saw this as a area of interest, this level, and then I saw price took out liquidity there, and that's when price broke structure to the downside, and that's when I obviously placed the limit here to stops above there, and obviously it got taken out. So that was the loss I took today. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over from the start. So then there was one break even this week, which, like I said, I didn't call all of the trades out to the community. This isn't the trade that I took. The trade that was taken in the community was this. Okay, so this we saw was taken out, and then we had, if it wasn't the 1 minute, if I'm not mistaken, let's just check. 1 minute. Okay, so yeah, if I'm not mistaken, this is where the trade was taken, somewhere here, with obviously stops below there and obviously target more above. As soon as price broke this level, yeah, I told the team to obviously go break even, etc. And that's when I saw following the trend is actually what we should have been doing. But what I saw this higher low that was made, and therefore I wanted to take one price to take out this liquidity, and that was kind of the reason behind the bar. But if we just follow our trend, follow our structure, this would have been the trade. I think, like I said, I didn't call it out in the community, but I think I got out in somewhere here, bit risky, and then I held a few runners into this level here. Why this level? If we look back, where is it now? Just give me a moment. So why that level? If we look here, it's a level of demand, obviously with liquidity just above, and obviously liquidity is a very nice draw for price to go. And then I'm going to move on to the second one, on the third. This one I am very, very, how can I say, sour about. There was news, this was basically the first news for the for the year. So obviously directional bars is bearish. I saw this fair value gap that was created in line with the level of supply, and just as news came out, price pushed down. So that's when I told everyone, okay, listen, I'm going to remove my order. I'm not gonna. Price is probably just gonna run away with us, because that's how the momentum actually looked. And I mean, you can see for yourself that was a very well executed trade. 125, 124.9, 125, whatever you want to call it. And like I said, I'm sour about it, but it is what it is. And then there is one more. I was back testing and I saw this one on NAS 100. Normally I don't take any trades on NAS, but let me take you guys through it. Yeah, it was this one. Okay, so obviously we can see our bars was bearish, our higher time frame, and that's when I identified that level of supply. I mean, there's not really much to it. A break of structure there, and then like I said, it's not much to it. It's very textbook, very simple trade, and there we go. So apologies, I'm scrolling through all the time frames, but the order block or supply level of supply was found on the hourly time frame, and obviously we just targeted equal lows there, and that's it. So I mean, that's a very short first video of the year, but I mean, I want to keep it that way. I want to keep the value more, and the short period of time, a lot of value. But like I said, I wish you all a happy new year, happy holidays, etc., etc. And obviously this year we're going to take it. We're going to have a big year. I know that. First week was kind of slow, like I said, but it is what it is. Like I said, I took a few trades, which I didn't call out to the community, just for the reason I wanted to preserve their capital. I mean, if they don't take a trade and the account balance stay on the same as we started the week, that's a bonus for me. I don't want anyone to lose money or anything. I rather want to take trades when the volume is there, when the momentum is there, etc., etc. So like I said, I did take one or two risky trades this week, but for me, luckily it worked out. Unfortunately, we had the one loss today, and then the break even. I think on the 3rd of Jan, which obviously I caught some pips to the downside, and but from next week we fall on. We're gonna kill the market again, like we did the last 6-7 weeks of the year, and so that's all from me, and hope you guys enjoy the weekend. Cheers, ciao guys.